Good morning, class 8. How is everyone? I'm doing well. Well, we are learning to draw constructions today, and we have taken up how to draw rhombus when the two diagonals are given. So, as I have always told you, draw a rough figure first. We are given two diagonals, BN and DE. We have to draw rhombus band. So I have taken up a rough sketch first. Now, you must remember the properties of the diagonals of a rhombus. The diagonals of a rhombus, as we have learnt already, they are the perpendicular bisectors of each other. And if you know this, then it's very easy. Take one of the diagonals and now draw its perpendicular bisector. Do you all know how to draw perpendicular bisectors? Yes, I taught you. What we do is, let's draw this arc. Let's draw it this side also. Now, from this side, let's draw another arc that intersects the first one at some point. Let's name these points. Say, you may name any name, but for instance, I'll take P, Q, right? Now, let's join PQ. Why I have taken it dark? Because both the diagonals are given. See, now you must test your knowledge, and your prior knowledge says that these two are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Therefore, whatever is the length of BN, see here you will be getting, this side you will be getting B, and this side you will be getting N. So to get B this side, you have to cut half of this. Half this side, half this side. So half of 5.6 is 2.8. So 2.8 is the half of 5.6. Therefore, measure 2.8. Let's measure 2.8. This is 2.8. We take up, remember this is the one. This is the distance. The previous points which we had taken up, those points were P and Q. Those points are here. Do not confuse these points with these points. The fresh points you have got are B and N. This is N. This one, see, Q is here, N is here. Similarly, P is here, but B, this is B. Now you have to join BE, BD, DN. I once again wish to warn you that do not join this point. This is a separate point. You must remember, you got 2 points here. You have to join N. Similarly, do not join this point. This is a separate point. You have to join the point which you have taken up 2.8 from this side. This is O. So OB is 2.8. Similarly, ON is 2.8. The total BN becomes 5.6. This is 5.6. This is 6.5. Therefore, B, E, and D is the required rhombus. Thanks for joining.